Alright, so
So this is our game. It's called Isometrix. It's still needs some work, but here it is. Open up the exe.
we're not gonna open this in full screen, so
No,
yeah.
no. So we got one menu option so far. Working on this. It toggles on and off. And once we press the space, oh, by the way, it toggles with either the up and down arrow keys or W and S. And to select it, you could either press enter or space. Uh, Loading screen because we had some technical issues with loading the graphics.
Well, we did have 40 hours to do this game, so
Yeah. So basically, what this game, what the idea was, is you're traveling through a three-dimensional maze, but you can only see three.
three screens representing you where you are,
Yeah,
and another screen representing where the enemy is.
yeah. One of these is the enemy screen, um, and let's see here. You move along the x-axis with the A and D keys. 1 second, kind of stuck between a wall here.
Oh, there you go.
So this is x-axis movement right now with the A and D keys. It's a bit laggy at the moment for some reason.
For some reason.
And for Y movement, it's W and S for moving along the Y-axis. And for the Z-axis, it is the up and down arrow keys. And I don't have it programmed in here at the moment, but there's supposed to be a end goal that you're supposed to reach without hitting the enemy that we have that is also moving in tangent with you. He doesn't necessarily move in the same direction as you, but he only moves when you move, and that's that's the idea of this game. It's you as you can see, the screens are swapping every about 5 seconds. So the idea is you're trying to navigate through this maze while avoiding this enemy who's moving whenever you move.
Oh, spot the enemy.
And let's see here.
I'm trying to look for the enemy right there, so I could just touch him and. Oh, there's the enemy. Okay.
Yeah, there's some issue with the enemy glitch. Well, it might just be drawn the multiple sides on the enemy screen, but
I'm trying
wasn't
to.
able to fix that in time. Let's see what else here. Yeah, this current build doesn't have an end goal built into it right now, so you can't really win the game. A lot of time was spent on fixing memory leaks that we are having issues with, but this release has no memory leaks, thank God. Let's see here. Yeah. For whatever reason, we did have the game over effect
working on the other computer.
Yeah, working on a previous build, in fact, but once we modified it a little bit, we kind of had issues actually getting back for whatever reason. Can't think of anything else to say about it, the game.
Well, I did constructed 4 different kind of levels of some sort.
Yeah. This isn't actually one of the final levels for this. Like there was other levels built. This was just a level I just slapped together to actually test the movement and collision of the player.
Yeah, like we said, if we had enough time, we could have actually made levels actually playable.
But this is what we got so far. So
yeah.
And for what little amount of time we had, and it's been a long time since I've done anything with 3 space and programming. So,
but hey, this is still pretty cool though. There's a maze and still trying to figure out
well,
the controls.
it might actually be the capture software along with all the stuff we have. It's of course not very efficient. 48 hours.
Oh yeah,
But
that's true though.
I think the capture software is what's slowing it
That could be it. Oh yeah.
down. And yeah, that. I don't
I
have
think
anything else here.
is that the whole game? Well, I did the artwork, so and there's nothing really much to say about that.
Yeah, like can you
Well, I could probably tell. I could probably
oh yeah,
explain
yeah.
about the artwork. It's just kind of.
Is this 1 second? I'll just
Oh yeah, sure.
So at any time during this program, you can press escape to leave the program. It will automatically deallocate any memory it's been held onto there. Um, no extra buttons. Yeah, yeah. Escape. That was it. So mouse and going for the assets. So we have like a whole bunch of buttons here. Game over screen. So like we had it in pieces basically whenever we were building this. Parts of it worked, but whenever we tried to put it together, we were having a whole bunch of issues. So we weren't able to actually get this in the current build. The game over screen showing up. That we got showing up. That's the front screen. It's slightly blocked whenever we show the build there, but that's the loading screen. That's a player object.
These are the programs that was used to make this game.
Yeah, we were gonna have a put in a credits and resources used type screen there, but we again some issues kind of slowed our progress there. References.
These are the references for.
That's the background. Just 1 second here.
Yeah, Windows 8. There you
go. So and this is the description of the game. The old description of the game. Sorry.
I think the real description is somewhere inside.
I'll just cycle through these here.
Oh yeah, the only thing that I changed was oh no, this is the real description.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
So here's the one that's up to date.
Yeah.
That's not in the game, but is in the it's folder. In one of the folders for like that were submitted anyways. So basically, you're trying to reach a goal. Don't touch the enemy. That's it. And yeah, this just explains the controls you're working with, and that 3 of those screens are under your control. Well, it's technically all being controlled by you. The enemy will not move if you do not move. It's just so it kind of looks like it's mimicking you, so that it adds to confusion that you don't know if the enemy is you or is the enemy. Hence the top what was it? The topic.
The topic. What?
Yeah.
Top of you. Top. The top of. Top
no.
No.
The topic of the game jam. The
oh right. What was the topic? We do not see them as they are.
We see them as we are. Yes. So that's why, like, the enemy looks exactly like you and moves
only when you move.
Only when you move. So that adds to that confusion, and you don't know where exactly he is because it's switching the screen every 5 seconds. So you have to adapt very quickly to notice which one is him, so that you could move accordingly. Let's see here.
This is basically
that just describes what I just said.
That's perfect.
Except, yeah, it was planned later for every 2 minutes, but the release I have here, the timer is set to 5 seconds, so it's a little bit more hectic.
Just some minor changes.
Yep. And yeah, this is a good luck screen for that's
just to give you more hope.
Where is that? Okay. Just going through the assets here to see if there's anything else. Oh, yeah, there's our credit screen here. This is us at By the way, I'm Mark.
I'm Simon. And the other one that programmed a couple of things is Nicholas. Which is
Just be a little loud, the mic snap. Just say something. You still did a fair amount of work.
We're still a team. Like you're still a team. Yeah, we're the team of 3 that did this game.
Yeah. And yeah.
I kind of gave Mark ideas of where to go next because I have more experience with the programming. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and yeah, I think that's it.
I think that wraps everything up.
Okay. So how do I close this? Like
I think it just. Yeah, I think it's good. Yeah, press the square button.